Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add an opening balance to your bank account on QuickFile accounting software. Firstly, we need to access bank, to which we need to add an opening balance. So I will go to banking and I will look at all bank accounts. And my Rita K business account currently has £0 balance, but it should have an opening balance of £850. To add an opening balance, under Options, I can access Account Settings. Here, click on I have an opening balance and add an opening balance by entering information in opening balance field. Select also opening balance effective date. In my case, opening balance is dated 1st of June, and click Update Details. So now, when I go to my all bank accounts, Rita K business account has an opening balance of $850. In this episode, I showed you how you can add an opening balance to your bank account on QuickFile accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my complete QuickFile tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.